Titanic design lines fused with the spirit of modern Cabover innovation gave birth to the Freightliner Argosy, a truck that stood as one of the last great North American Cabovers, while finding a second life in global markets. Introduced in 1999, it arrived at a time when conventional tractors were dominating the United States due to relaxed length regulations. Yet the Argosy was created to carry Freightliner's engineering prowess into regions where Cabovers remained essential, such as Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. With its flat-faced cab, commanding stance, and advanced engineering, it quickly became recognized as a unique blend of aerodynamics, space efficiency, and rugged durability. The Argosy was revolutionary for offering a nearly flat-floor cab, giving drivers more living space and comfort on long journeys. Underneath, it carried a wide selection of powerful engines, ranging from Detroit Diesel Series 60 and later DD15 to Caterpillar C15 and Cummins ISX units, producing between 400 and 600 horsepower depending on configuration. Unlike earlier Cabover, the Argosy was designed with modular access panels that allowed mechanics to service major components without tilting the cab, a groundbreaking innovation that reduced downtime and boosted fleet appeal. Throughout the 2000s and 2010s, Freightliner refined the Argosy with updates to its aerodynamics, electronics, and safety systems. Markets outside North America embraced it as a flagship long-haul truck, particularly in Australia, where road train operations demanded extreme toughness and high horsepower. Compared to rivals such as Kenworth K200 and Volvo FH, the Argosy stood out for its bold styling, spacious interior, and customizable choices that catered to both fleet operators and independent truckers. While the Argosy was discontinued in the United States in 2006, its production continued overseas for more than a decade, cementing its reputation as one of the longest surviving Cabovers in modern history. Today, surviving late-model Argosy trucks can command prices between $90,000 and $150,000. Depending on specification, making them both a working machine and a collector's prize. Its legacy lives on as a bridge between old Cabover practicality and modern-day driver comfort, representing Freightliner's determination to adapt across global landscapes. The Freightliner Argosy remains more than a truck. It is a symbol of endurance and adaptability, a machine that refused to fade even when its category vanished in its homeland. Stay with us as we uncover more legends of trucking. Share your thoughts and be a part of our growing community, where every voice keeps the wheels of history turning.